Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bree Style and I'm Bree. I'm a fashion stylist and I've been for a really long time, but I take a different approach when it comes to the fashion industry and the mindset and the lifestyle of just being who you are, helping other people. And I just wanted to give a little inspirational video on why it's so important to get started today. If you're self-sabotaging yourself and you want to be a fashion influencer, you want to be out there helping other people, get started now. Like, tomorrow is not promised. So why not go after your dreams? Why not do what you're destined to do, what you love to do? And so I really thought this would be a cute little way to share that inspiration with you all. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Give me your feedback. I love to see it. I love to communicate and talk to you guys. So let's get started. Have you ever wondered when the perfect time is to start your styling journey or your fashion influencer journey, whether it be with an individual person or whether it be online? Well, the answer is now. There is no need to wait for the stars to align, and your passion for fashion is guiding the stars. Your intuition is always telling you everything you need to know, and it's up to you to lean into it and just go against what you're feeling. Go against your fears, y'all. Like, we got to start going against our fears because it will literally propel us to be exactly where we're destined to be. So don't let the calendar dictate your dreams. Every day you wait is a day you could have been sharing your unique style with the world. You could really have been helping someone or even changing someone's life. And you never know how much of a blessing you truly are to someone, like, until you really put yourself out there. So just trust in it. And trust me, I know, because when I first started, that's all I cared about. All I cared about was like literally helping other people. And look how far that's taken me. I've been able to work with so many amazing brands like Sony, like Under Armour, like Pizza Hut, like actresses, professional athletes, running a skincare line. Like, I've been able to do so many things, and now I'm able to share all of my knowledge and all of my experiences with you all so that you don't have to struggle or go through anything, and you just have some type of guidance. That's all I want to do, is be able to help people so they don't feel lost the way that I did when I first started. So it's all literally about just finding your voice and making a difference. Just find your voice, y'all. Like, be who you truly are. When you are authentically yourself, you are actually helping not only yourself, but other people. Your voice and your passions are your superpowers in the world of styling. And I just want you guys to embrace them because they have the potential to make a huge difference in the world. There's so much truth in speaking things into existence and visualizing your dreams. Y'all know I love me some mood boards. By doing this, it builds your confidence and it puts you into a position where you can really take action and put the action behind what it is that you really want to do.
For an angel of the Lord came down from heaven, rolled aside the stone, and sat on it. His face shone like lightning, and his clothes was as white as snow. The guards shook with fear when they saw him, and they fell into a dead faint. Then the angel spoke to the women. "Don't be afraid," he said. "I know you're looking for Jesus who was crucified. He isn't here." Staring at a dead thing, looking for Jesus, and he ain't here. That toxic relationship that you keep going back and forth in, that you won't walk away from because you're talking about Jesus, you put, no, he ain't here. He's not here. That job that's sucking the life out of you, that he been told you to leave, that he provided for you. But you think it's your source, so you won't let it go. Guess what?
And it's like, where do you see yourself in a year? Where do you see yourself in 5 years or 10 years? Where do you see yourself? You have to visualize that. What type of life do you want to live? And how do you really want people to remember you when you're gone? And then it's about helping a client choose an outfit or helping other people find their confidence. It's the same thing. When you think about fashion, you think about how good people feel when they put an outfit on. How good do you feel when you get your hair done, your nails done, your lashes done? Like, you got your outfit on, you got your makeup did. Like, how good do you feel? So to be able to work with people and help them do the same thing, you're helping build their confidence as well. So when you use your voice to empower others through style, you're not just creating great outfits, you're building confidence and you're helping people express their true selves. You're also building confidence at the same time for yourself. And then there's the power of virtual styling, which maybe you're doing it online. There's nothing wrong with that. And today, like digital age, the day of digital age is now. Virtual styling is game-changing everything. And it also connects you with people that you would not have been able to connect with from all over the world. And it breaks down so many barriers when it comes to being able to connect with other people. Like, I had a client and she was a basketball coach in an entirely different state than I lived in, never met her, was able to style her. And now she has looks that she can wear when she's coaching her games and she just feels so confident. Everything was done online. Everything was done online. We had one Zoom call, that's it. And to be able to have a client that is so far away from me and be able to have that same type of impact and influence, it just feels so good. So it's just the power of the internet, the power of virtual styling is here. Whether you're using Instagram, you're using YouTube, you're using TikTok, whatever it is, the power in using the internet is now. So don't take that so lightly. You know, you can be working with someone in person, but you can also be working with someone virtually. Virtual styling is amazing, and there's so many things that you can do with it. You can demonstrate, virtual style boards. You can demonstrate by you styling yourself. There's so many different ways that you can share your ideas and create stunning looks without physically being present. And that's why I also love Canva. You guys know I love Canva. And then there's also being an affiliate. When you're an affiliate, you can share your looks and literally help so many people while just sharing ideas, sharing your looks. You guys know I love affiliate marketing and all that comes along with it because it's huge for virtual styling and being a fashion influencer. It's how you can literally make a living. You can use LTK, you can use Amazon. Those are my two favorites. You can share your ideas with the world, and should they like anything that you inspired them with and shop, that's how you would get a commission. Just think about that when it comes to how you can make income. You can be in the comfort of your own home. You don't have to leave your home. However, if you like to do so, you can. I've lived in the world where I've done both. So all you have to do is pick up your phone, take a photo, post it. Look how simple that is. So that's why I say it's so important to just get started now. You have nothing to lose by starting now. The only thing you're losing is time. Time is so valuable to us. Time is the most important thing that we have because we all are on a ticking time clock, like we all are. So take advantage of the time that you have right now. And then just don't feel like you're starting from scratch. You guys know I'm here for you. If you ever need any information or have any questions, I have so many different resources for you, from books to courses. I always list them down below. But you just know that you're not alone on this journey. You are, and you will be able to be whatever it is you desire to be. As long as you put that vision into actionable steps, your dreams will come true. So I love you guys, and I really do hope that this video inspires you just to get started. Take advantage of the time that you have now. Take advantage of your phone. Take advantage of your passions and your dreams. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.